Yeah, good morning again, my people. Out here, another project. Out here up in Vero. Then like always. My amigo friend over there. Good job. Alright, yeah. Pumping out another one. You know, this house. Go up on the top. We go check out what I go on again. Now we just do some column and fill some column today. No fill cell, column only. I tell you, you're so bored. Alright, that's over there. We could catch them one day over there, so. Yeah, I'm on there. What you know? Check out the view. Just, no, stop. Boss, you know, put it back. But you know, make nothing come from the column. You keep it down there. You know, put nothing there, so. You know, column. Boss, you know, put nothing there, so. No, I say you know, but you don't want to come up there so either.
Yeah.
See me? You want to keep it down. Yeah. Good pingling. You see? Want to creep you off, so you don't want nothing. Yeah, if it stay right down. Yeah. Go over there, so get off there one day, so, and then it's like that. As long as we can push the ball through there, so, and get as far as possible. But on big column down there, so we want to go first. Yeah, man, we are going to send the balls for the beam go across. So, you know. I watch it, so we can always stop it before you come up. Right? Yeah. Hey, you don't rep for Oz no more? Don't rep for Oz no more? Oh, okay. See my friend down there? Good?
Hey!
Yes, sir. Vibrate out some column, you know? When this one come up, boss, I'll go down another one there. This could take some water in, but one Brian and one little lead that man. Could I take water? I'm move away. That's good right there. A little bit more. That's it. Good? Good, right?
A little more.
Poquito más. You
You
sure?
The block.
Oh, finish the block.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, papa.
That's good?
Good.
Okay. Alright, boss, we have another one then. Boss, big one down there, so. Down here, so. No, no, we leave it. We're gonna put some in the big one.
Sorry,
Boss,
Papa.
you have to drain out your hose door, man. That's why you're not the whole place with the pump, so brother.
Cuidado ahí. Hey.
Boss, put it on in there so then no. Hey, watch. Come, boss. You have to drain out your hose. That's what I tell you, say no hole is so short. So you can hold the hose long and then drain out your hose and then move. Send down your hose down
This
there,
is a
man.
big column. This
Yeah,
is
so
and a half.
Mela.
This, everything right now.
Yeah. No problem, Papa. I got you, man. I got you. You know. Only looky. No, talky, right? Eh? Oh, you want a chicky too?
¿Para qué anda grabando la marronada?
This? Yeah, but we're not full it. Right, we just a half it. Yeah, we're not full of color, man. If we don't full it, but it's more tight, so you can't full too. More tight, you know. But you don't want to full it. Hey, what's this? 2-story? You going second floor, right?
Yeah,
3? Oh, yeah. Oh, just like that one. Okay, yeah. So this house is a 3-story. Okay. Just like the neighbor over there. Yeah, man. You see how that house is? See how that one is here? Yeah. One Brian. A brother that later. Concrete one little water in the door, man. Eh? Papa want video. Oh, Papa you want to be on YouTube, right? You want the mamacita to see you. Yeah. Is that 80? Is that 80? No, man. No.
We.
¿Dónde eres? Tú. Wagwan! Jamaican! Hey, hey, look at that guy. That guy says Jamaican. You see? You, Papa? Jamaica too?
Europa.
Okay.
Jamaican Negro.
No, Jamaica. No. Can't trick me. Guatemala. Oh, yeah. Hey, you from Edgar? From Edgar place, right?
No.
Where Edgar from? Edgar from Guatemala, right? Edgar. Yeah, Edgar from Guatemala, yeah. Yeah. All of them. Yeah. Hey, so you not work for lecture no more? No mas. Doing your own thing now. Good. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, man. Alright, so yeah, we have all of them column have to pump out. We have pump some concrete, but it's tight. But you know, that's the elevator. Oh yeah, that's gonna take a lot of concrete. So you know. So my people, just check out. I'm gonna show you more of these content each and every day. Sometimes we're gonna try and get more in depth. So you know, so it can be a little more interesting. But this house is a 3-story. We're pumping the column them now. Then they're gonna put the flooring on the top here and get the second floor going up. So you see them plank here they put. They put it down so they can get the slab on the top. You know? Yeah. Basically that's what's going on out here.
Picking up us.
Yeah man, you can take a little bit more water. But you know, as I say, when you work with Brian, sometimes.
The water for. Yes, we now move.
And it's a jaguar leaf. It's a jaguar leaf. See, when you pump tight concrete, that's how your hose move. Look, see, shape in the whole place. As the concrete tight. This is a 5,000 psi pump mix, high range, and it's a 6 slump. You don't want to put any water in it, so, you know, you have to pump it tight.
Yeah.
Boy, before you move it, boy, take out whatever in there. Yeah, shake up, right? I'm going to do that. I'm going to pull up and turn out of the whole place. You know what? Huh? In the middle? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, is that two? Oh. Yeah, but it's going over there though. You see if you're not shaking, you're not jump out of it because you're more tight, you're not going to jump. So with the wet, with that run out, but you have to shake it. So you must can jump out. You good there, Salato? You need more? Need more in that? Alright, good.
Huh?
That's one good?
What?
Poquito? Maybe. Yeah, we're out here. Stuck. Chuck stuck. I don't know. Maybe he clean it out. Yeah, we're pumping, but the truck, we're bringing the next one. That's stuck.
I hate this, man.
So, master, why one of you guys can put a chain on it and put it?
It's cameras.
But
I
the
will
camera-
do it.
Yeah,
He has camera, and they see us do it.
a problem.
Me, I wouldn't care. I put chain in. I'll put an extension cord and wrap it. But
Yeah.
every time he moves, though, he's
They got something they can pull out.
No. Because one time when I got stuck, I was empty.
No, you cannot.
No. But I had 2 trucks, and they were both pulling, and I was empty. They couldn't move me. They were 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Couldn't move me. I thought, damn, this is empty. But it's 30,000 naked. This probably about 50. Loaded probably about 80. So you're talking about 50,000 pounds,
Yeah.
and it's solved. Yes, he has a truck, and I have a truck. We could, well,
Yeah.
you just have to come back and just. Yeah.
I matic this so then on the matic so then on the clutch lift. Huh? Matic? No. Standard. You put it in gear, you got. Yeah, just because the hills. Watch yourself, boy.
Not going on.
Mine. But there's a one dig down it. Watch, you see all that higher? Hey, forward! I go back here.
Move out the court around the front.
Alright, you need somebody to draw you out. But you have to drop down your hose and recycle it, you know.
You gotta pull him out, man.
Yeah, but it's not you. Yeah, they don't understand. Yeah, they don't understand nothing. Yeah, yeah. We're stuck, Papa. Concrete truck not going nowhere. Push it. Yeah. Alright, so my people, we're out here today pumping, but the concrete was going good. Now we got a stuck. Truck can't move for us to put in. And we have what? We have 2 more truck out there. 2 more truck to go. See? Down the line. Down the line. Driver try to dig it out, but it's stuck. Nah, got nowhere. Alright, so you see I have some nice house over here. Nice house over here. Over here saying Vero Beach. Another part. Yeah, to try? Plywood. Oh. Yeah, we can throw off that. Throw off them. No man, throw off them steel there for that big.
No, just to put behind the tire.
Oh, you put that then? Yeah, put that. Oh yeah, go back here. The juice, yeah, see there. But we have to go recycle same way. You can mix it up and then we are going to recycle because we can't have this away too long. Yeah, that's it. Huh? No, hey, we can't relax, you know, because we have concrete in the hose. And it's 5,000. So. Oh, listen, that's your house over there. Okay. Okay, alright, we're going to say it. 4-wheel can. Hey, why you should, hey, make him move his shoot this way. Put the shoot away, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ah, lock him, yeah. Where's that?
Next time, to over one driveway.
Oh, I'm when the truck them are coming.
You come and just some boat down. Just come out.
Yeah, but change slant, change go side here, what is that? That's right. Ah, nice and easy. Yo, you see if the pressure lose out of ear, out of tire more.
Hey. What? Hey.
Hey. Shovel.
Hey.
Yeah. Alright, so this is going around the front. I'm sure you run the back. Show you run the back. The outside there, right on the Waterfront. Pingiling, what happened? No more. Finish working for the day. No more. Yeah, no más. Finito. Yeah, look at that house. See? Big house. And this one we're working on, it's a big one going beside. Yeah, two big house. Just a carrying outside, but showing around. Chuck, me still here, Chuck, man. I try to come out, but him stuck. So, just a walk with a little bit. Kind of go showing out on the waterfront here, so I'll go around there. And Papa, my friend here, just like fishing. What happened? You don't catch nothing? Nothing? Oh my, no fish not biting.
They're terrible.
Yeah?
Pompano aren't biting, nor are... I got a cheaphead today and 2 jacks.
Oh.
Pompano, no.
Oh.
It's been terrible.
They're big?
I'm sorry?
The jacks, they're big? Let me see them.
I don't keep them. I don't
Oh,
eat
you let them go back?
I don't eat jacks.
Oh, so they were big or small?
Pretty good size.
Oh, then why you didn't keep them and then give somebody here, man?
You gotta know how to cook those damn things.
Yeah, I know, it's jack.
Yeah.
The jack here, because if you don't cook them good, they're dry.
That's right.
Really dry, yeah.
And, yeah, but last year at this time, we didn't have a shitload of them.
Oh, jacks?
No.
Oh, Pompano. Oh,
Yeah.
Pompano. Okay. Yeah.
That guy there, he's one of the key fishermen. of
Oh, this
Pompano.
guy here.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, he just got there, or you have a boat? You have a boat?
No.
Oh, so you just get... Oh, I heard that you're a good fisherman. Good fisherman.
Tell the story.
Oh, he telling the story. Yeah. He told me you're a good fisherman.
That's a fisherman right there.
Okay.
Fisherman,
Yeah.
fisherman that doesn't catch
Anything today? Well, that's how it is. Sometime coffee, sometime tea. You know?
Well,
Yeah.
it's disappointing.
Well, yeah. When you come out to fish and then you don't catch nothing, yeah.
Well,
Discouraging.
It just hasn't been today. It's been
Yeah.
this way for 4 months.
Oh, yeah?
4 months.
Okay.
And last year, you come every day. You come home with 3, 4, 5, 6 pompano, big ones. This year,
Nothing.
nothing.
Okay. All right, so you're finished for the day?
Oh yeah. I've been
Okay.
out here since 7. So.
Okay.
Were you guys pouring concrete today?
Yeah, we're doing that house over there.
It's a
We're
huge
supposed
house.
to. Yeah, it's a huge house. You know?
Pour
But
concrete, that's a tough job.
Yeah. The hose are really heavy. You know, when you're moving them around, it's hard job.
When I was in college, I had to drag concrete in the summer in college for summer job and put those driveways and sidewalks in. You have to drag that concrete, and at the end of the day, you were just
Exhaust.
exhausted.
Yeah. It's hard work.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're out here trying to do it the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah. One day I know things are gonna be better.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. But
Well,
that's
you
it.
did good.
All right, thank you,
Take
man.
care
Take
of
it easy.
yourself.
All right,
Yeah.
Papa. All right, yeah. All right, yes. So you hear it right here on the beach, pumping concrete. Look at it. Two persons on the beach, relax, enjoy themselves. My friend tell me that guy over there is a good fisherman. See, you have a nice house right out here. Alright, and see, we're working on this one here. So that's what we're doing. Yes, my people, so I'm not gonna vlog too long on this. Later on, if something exciting happen, I'll catch it on the camera and then y'all can see just the same. Alright, so I'm a young trying YouTuber guy, trying out there to make it. So please check out my channel, subscribe and like up the videos and share them to your friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bella Mix Vlogs, okay? Alright, thank you. We're out here. So yes, it all come down to the end of the day, you know. We finish pumping and we are wrap up for come go home. So see progress are going today. Yeah. See the progress. Hey, what you oh, dale, dale, dale. Hable, 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 hable. Hable, papa, hable. Hey, what? Hey, you see? Yeah, why is he running, man? I don't know. This guy. Yeah. So, we finished for today, right? Finito? No más? Yeah. Mañana? Okay, good. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. That is it. Hey. Yeah. So, yeah. So, see you tomorrow. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. Check it out. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, it's on there for you. All right, my people. So we're wrapping up for today. Hungry? Hungry? Oh, I eat. Not hungry, man. Yeah. So that's the project. Hey, where's it? Where's the ladder? The escalator. What happened to the escalator? Yeah. In the back? Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna carry up on the top. I'm gonna get the last view of today, you know? Yeah, man. So that is it. How we do it. Yeah, we come out, we pump. This putting on the plywood for the deck. So yeah, all like column them, we pump up the column them today. And then I'm gonna finish put up the plywood then for the deck. So you know, yeah man. That is it, my people. Another beautiful view of this house in Vero Beach, Florida. So yep. Hey, what? Bea at Mix Vlogs. Okay, momento. Yeah, he's asking me what is the YouTube name, so you know. So I'm gonna go down and show them. But this is it. What we do today. Alright, my people, my family should say. So we're gonna catch you on the next one. Alright. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next one, okay? Alright. Peace out for now. Alright then. could try if we go near to him now him fly away. I guess them not so tame. Still a wild bird. See? Oh, what is shit here?